Hey everyone, this is Jerry with Credit on Point, and I wanted to go over another question that I get a lot. The other day I had a new client and they asked me, will their credit score rise after removing the negative accounts? And to answer that question is, let me put it at best, right? If you have negative items on your credit report, right? Just because you remove negative items off your credit report doesn't necessarily mean your score is going to raise, because it's contingent on what positive credit history you have on your credit report, right? Now, if we remove all these negative accounts and you have nothing left, then at best you're going to have no credit, right? From there, you're going to have to start building, you know, credit score. So when working on your credit score and trying to repair your credit, the last thing you want to focus on is your credit score. And I know that sounds counterproductive, but check me out, right? It's like you're putting on cologne or perfume and you haven't even bathed. It doesn't matter how much cologne or perfume you put on, you're still going to smell bad if you haven't bathed in weeks. You know what I'm saying? So in order for you to get that credit score to a 720 plus credit score, you need to focus on removing the negative items that are holding you back, right? So the best thing to do in the beginning is to tune out that credit score. Don't worry about whether the credit score is going up or down. What you need to worry about is just getting those derogatory items off your credit report, making sure that you can put yourself in position to get that, that credit card or that car loan. Because at the end of the day, if you don't have a credit card, if you don't have a car loan, a mortgage, or any type of installment or any type of revolving credit, I don't care if you remove every negative item off your credit report, it's still not going to help your score. You know what I'm saying? The most important thing on your credit report are the trade lines. So in the beginning, just focus on removing those derogatory accounts off your credit report. Don't focus on that score, because let me give you another example. If you have somebody that goes to apply for credit and they have a 700 credit score, but they have a couple of derogatory accounts on their credit report, that person is less likely to get approved than that person that has a 670 credit score and they have credit history and they don't have any derogatory remarks, right? So just because you have a higher credit score than somebody, or you have a high credit score, doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get approved, right? When I first got into fixing credit, I had a 720 plus credit score and I wasn't getting approved. And later on, I found out it's because I didn't have enough trade lines on my credit report, right? So again, just focus on getting positive trade lines after you remove these negative accounts off your credit report, okay? And if you're somebody right now that's struggling to remove these negative items off your credit report, I have a free webinar. It's totally free. There's no cost to it. And it should be a link at the bottom of this video, wherever it's located. Sign up for the free webinar. Again, there's no cost to you. And I go over, adding positive trade lines to your credit report and, ways to removing derogatory accounts off your credit report. All right. Now, I hope this video was informative. And if you have any questions, visit our website, and I hope to see you soon. All right. Peace.